this auto size project. So what this will do is it's gonna automatically run an optimization in the backend. It's gonna look at the compatibility between your battery and the inverters, and also gonna look at your project life and the capacity you're trying to maintain. Based on that, it is gonna design your whole system. And by whole system, I means how many modules per rack, how many racks per inverter you'll connect, how many inverters you're gonna need, right? So it's gonna populate all this information for you, and it's also gonna populate some of these loss assumptions. Now, if you do not agree with some of the default values, you can come in and always update that, but the program, the auto size feature makes it really easier for you to size it. And once it's sized it, you'll be able to see that. So what it is telling that to get 415 kWh at year 20, we will need to maintain around roughly close to 800 kWh at year 0, right? And this is DC installed. And the 415 we're trying to maintain is at the point of interconnect at this location here.